Welcome to Beginner's Guide to Minimalist Camping, how to get started. In this video, we'll show you how to camp with a minimal amount of gear and enjoy the outdoors without the clutter. Let's get started. Before you head out, it's important to plan your minimalist camping trip. Decide on the location and duration of your trip, as well as the weather conditions that you'll be facing. Make sure to pack appropriate clothing, food, and water for your trip. While minimalist camping means traveling light, you'll still need a few essential pieces of gear. You'll want a tent, sleeping bag, and sleeping pad for a good night's rest. Additionally, consider packing a headlamp, a cooking stove, and a filtration system for clean water. To fit all your gear into a compact backpack, pack efficiently. Bring only what you need and choose lightweight options where possible. Keep your sleeping bag and pad at the bottom of your pack and place heavier items in the middle. When camping in the great outdoors, make sure to follow the leave no trace principles. This means packing out all trash and being mindful of where you set up camp. Leave the area better than you found it. Thanks for watching Beginner's Guide to Minimalist Camping, how to get started. With these tips, you'll be able to experience the beauty of the outdoors without the clutter. Happy camping!